Slug rings doorbell, snail emoji, bell emoji. A slug has been caught red-handed ringing doorbells late at night in a German apartment building. Residents were baffled by the mysterious ringing that kept disturbing their sleep. Police were called in to investigate the strange late-night disturbances. After searching the building, officers discovered the culprit was not a prankster, but a slug crawling across the doorbell button. The slimy intruder had managed to trigger the bell multiple times as it made its slow journey. This bizarre incident highlights how even the smallest creatures can cause big surprises in everyday life.